Now exercise 13.1, 8th question. From a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4. So from a solid cylinder, first of all we'll draw a solid cylinder. Solid means it is just like it is filled with ice cream. Solid it is not hollow. So think in your mind that it is a cylinder filled with ice cream till the brim. A conical cavity of same height and same diameter is hollowed out. So this conical cavity of the same height and same diameter is hollowed out. The total surface area of the remaining solid we need to find. So first of all, the two figures. First figure is cone and other figure here is cylinder. Same height and same diameter. So height here is 2.4 centimeter. Here also height is 2.4 centimeter. Diameter here is 1.4 centimeter, means radius is 1.4 by 2 centimeter. Don't calculate, leave it as it is. It will make your calculation easy. 1.4 by 2 centimeter. Now think in your mind whenever a question of total surface area you get in the case of combination of figures, that you are painting each and every corner of that figure. Just see, if it is solid, if it's a solid figure, it means you are painting this part. So total surface area of this figure is, or you can write total surface area of remaining. Sometimes students think the word is remaining, so we will subtract. What they do? Area of cylinder minus area of cone. But this is not the case of surface area. Surface area, in case of surface area surface area always increased when we hollowed out something. बहुत सारी surfaces increase हो जाती हैं तो area भी increase हो जाता है. Just see. And after that this part and this part. First of all, area of base plus this part that I have shaded. After that this part, because this is there, this is curved surface area of cylinder, again plus, nothing should be minus in case of this. So this is pi r square base, then this area which is curved off cylinder, this whole, just like if this is pen, then this whole portion, curved portion, this whole portion, curved surface area of cylinder plus this portion. This is hollowed out, it means this area is exposed in front of us. Imagine करो अपने माइंड में, जैसे हम एक चम्मच से हमने ये शेप बनाई, इधर से आइसक्रीम ले ली बाहर और इधर से आइसक्रीम ले ली, तो ये एक, जैसे यहाँ पर कोन की शेप में एक खाली स्पेस हो गया, तो वो शेप कौन सी है? कोन. तो यहाँ भी हम पेंट कर सकते हैं ना. सो इट मीन्स कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ कोन. And nothing to minus or plus, because this whole circle is out. When we have taken out this cone, जब हमने इस कोन को बाहर किया तो ये पूरा अपर सरफेस सॉलिड सिलेंडर की बाहर हो गई. So nothing to add, nothing to subtract. Area of base, this portion, then this portion curved off cylinder, and plus curved surface area of cone. Now we'll write formula for this, pi r square. You will get 1 mark. Your half mark will be deducted if you will not write formula like this. You need to write area of base, curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH, and curved surface area of cone is pi r L. What we can take common? Pi r we can take common. What is left? R 2H plus L. We have R and H, but we don't have L. So first of all, find out L. L is square root of R square plus h square. Now put the value of r and h. The value of r here is 0.7 square and h here is 2.4 square, which is equals to square root of 0.49 plus 5.76, and which is equals to square root of 6.25, which is equals to 2.5 centimeter. So L is 2.5 centimeter. Now by putting all the values, we will get, put all the values. Pi here is, if pi is given 3.14 in the question, so you cannot take 22 by 7. Again your marks will be deducted. And if pi is not given, then you can take any value. 22 by 7 I am going to take. So 22 by 7, formula is this pi. We can write total surface area is equals to 22 by 7. R here is 1.4 by 2. 0.7 you can use in any way because this can be cancelled, that's why I have taken, or 7 can be cancelled. 2h, 2 into h is 2.4 plus L is 2.5. This can be cancelled with, it is 0.2. So after multiplying it is 2.2 and inside the bracket it is 0.7 plus 4.8 plus 2.5, and which is equals to 2.2 multiply 8. So this is equals to 22 multiplied by 8 is 17.6 centimeter square. This is our final answer. I hope the concept is clear to you. Now the next question and last question of the exercise, which is 9th one. A wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of a solid cylinder. From each end of a solid cylinder. Solid cylinder, again I told you in the previous question. So this is scooping out, we are scooping out this thing, and from here this thing. Now how many surfaces are exposed in front of us? This curved surface area of cylinder. This part is curved surface area of cylinder. Find the total surface area of the article. So we'll write total surface area is equals to CSA of cylinder plus, you can see this part also, this part. We can paint this part, and this part is curved surface area of hemisphere. This part is also we can paint. Just think in your mind, if there is a solid ice cream in the shape of cylinder and we are scooping out, we are scooping out just like this. We are scooping out a hemisphere. So this part is 2 pi curved surface area of hemisphere. This part is again curved surface area of hemisphere. So it means 2 multiply curved surface area of hemisphere. This circle is, this part of the solid cylinder is removed when we have taken out this thing. So this part is removed. So we will not add, we will not subtract, because already we have taken this curved part plus this curved part of hemisphere, and this means the figure is like this. Figure is like this. So this is curved part of cylinder plus curved part of this hemisphere plus curved part of this hemisphere. Now again by putting all the values, curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH. Since the radius of both the figures is same, so we can take 2 into 2 pi r square. We can take 2 pi r common. What is left? H plus 2r is left. by putting all the values. It's 2, 22 by 7. R here is radius is 3.5. H here is height of the cylinder is 10 plus 2 into 3.5. So finally this is 2 into 22. Cancel this, it is 5 and it is 2. So it is 1 by 2, 10 plus 7. 2 get cancelled with 2 and this is equals to 22 into 17 and which is equals to 374 centimeter square. This is the answer of this question. Thank you.